Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the action button to open the voice memo in this device or record the voice in this device. For this, go to settings, tap on action button. Now swipe left, then you can see the option voice memo, you can see. Now just select this one. Yeah. Now the action button is set to voice memo. Record personal notes, musical ideas and more. Now press and hold the voice button. Action button. Now you can see this recording. Okay. If you want to stop this one, tap on this button. That's it. Now let me show you. So in your phone, you will get one application, voice memos. If you search the application in your app library, then you will get, you can say voice memo. And you can see the recorded video, you can see here. Audio you can see here. You can play it one. Okay, so simply in this way you can set the action button to record voice in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.